Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin. Presented today this 202 Porsche Taycan 4S. This Taycan 4S is finished in green metallic paint, Mamba Green, with 21-inch Michelin wheels, side skirts, black package. This Taycan also has 14-way comfort seats in the non-leather full interior. Sport chrono package. Memory seats. Bose surround sound. This Taycan is further complemented by privacy glass, park assist front and rear with reversing camera. Should you wish to take a closer look at this vehicle, please contact Porsche Centre Dublin on 01 235 3375. Thank you.